Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that a lot of you have been asking about lately. How long does it take to link your bank account to Flinks? I know that this can be a bit of a pain, especially if you're new to Flinks. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the steps and explain everything you need to know. So, let's get started. What is Flinks? Before we get into the specifics of linking your bank account, let's take a quick look at what Flinks is. Flinks is a financial technology company that allows you to connect your bank account to apps and websites. This makes it easy to manage your finances and get the most out of your money. Flinks is used by a variety of companies, including banks, credit unions, and fintech startups. It's a safe and secure way to connect your bank account to the services you need. How to link your bank account to Flinks. Now that we know what Flinks is, let's talk about how to link your bank account to it. There are two ways to do this. Through the Flinks website. To link your bank account to Flinks through the website, you'll need to create an account. Once you've created an account, you can log in and click on the Link a Bank Account button. You will then be asked to enter your bank name, account number, and routing number. Once you've entered this information, you'll need to verify your identity. This can be done by providing a copy of your driver's license or passport. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be able to link your bank account to Flinks. Through a Flinks partner. If you use a service that uses Flinks, you can link your bank account through that service. For example, if you use a budgeting app that uses Flinks, you can link your bank account to the app when you set up your account. How long does it take to link your bank account to Flinks? The amount of time it takes to link your bank account to Flinks will vary depending on the method you use. If you link your bank account through the Flinks website, it can take up to 24 hours for your account to be verified. Once your account is verified, you can start using Flinks. If you link your bank account through a Flinks partner, the amount of time it takes will vary depending on the partner. Some partners may be able to link your account immediately, while others may take up to a few days. Tips for linking your bank account to Flinks. Here are a few tips for linking your bank account to Flinks. Make sure you have your bank account information handy. You'll need your bank name, account number, and routing number. If you're linking your bank account through the Flinks website, be sure to verify your identity. This will help to protect your account. If you're having trouble linking your bank account, contact Flinks customer support. They can help you troubleshoot any issues. Linking your bank account to Flinks is a simple process that can be done in a few minutes. Once you've linked your account, you can start using Flinks to manage your finances and get the most out of your money. I hope this blog post has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. See you next time.